270-degree awnings. I take it that is why you're here. Today we're going to show you the choice that we made, the King's 270-degree awning. Fully freestanding, apparently. We'll put that to the test, show you guys what it's like. And we'll take you through the process of getting our awning bracket mounted, the awning. And for the troopy owners with the pop-top conversion, stay tuned because you may be interested to see what we get up to. There we have it, 270 freestanding awning from King's, fully installed. Highly recommend getting a second pair of hands. I got my father-in-law to help me. Thank you, masking tape Mick, he knows. I thought I'd take the opportunity right now to take the microphone off the camera because it is probably about 10-15 knots at the moment, so I can show you guys how the awning's holding up in the wind. But yeah, it's all the way on, it's all tied up, bolted on, quite sturdy. Obviously it's a bit of a different mounting situation going on there, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the outcome. It's pretty sturdy. 2 meters span off the side of the car and off the back. That's enough shade for us. But yeah, I'll give you a little run around whilst it's blowing a gale. Nice and sturdy. Bit of movement there, but nothing to be worried about. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for 270 freestanding awning, these King's awnings, they're great value. Solid frames, Australian made canvas. I mean, what else could you ask for, really? Cheers guys, hope you like the video. Thanks Mick for the hand, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers. I just thought I would add to the end of this video and show you guys that we're currently out camping, since installing this, it's actually been a few months now, so we've had some use with it, which is my plan. I can happily suggest this to anyone that's in the market for a 270 freestanding awning. Like, there's no legs on this thing, and it is proper sturdy. Awesome. It is actually pissing down rain. I'm under the trees, but we've got the King's awning set up, and I just want to show you guys their little drainage system with these ropes. It works really well. I'll show you that. Check these things out. So I've got these all tied down, one to the, obviously the outdoor table and the pegs that they supply. But check these bad boys out. No pooling on this awning at all. And main key is as well with curing that canvas. Look at those beads. Waterproof. Curing that canvas really tightens that fabric, really pulls those fibers together to make it even more waterproof. So make sure you do that. Really recommend that. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you guys found anything in this video that you want to message us and ask us about, feel free to send us a message on Instagram or whatever. But yeah, that's the King's awning, and very highly recommend this thing for value. It's absolutely unreal. All right guys, cheers, take it easy, and see you on the next video.